Okay, Mike, now that we've looked at the mixed mode demand model itself, let's look at this from these products and the evolutions of these products. But let's think about it really from a service standpoint and customer loyalty and customer retention. What are the things that we think about when we talk to customers about what they should focus on in each one of these categories?
Okay, David, so let's build it up from the bottom, as you said. Remember, here we're talking about a residential sump pump product, so in a consumer's hands. What's the experience a consumer expects today? Self-service plus easy to do business with when I need more help than I can get myself digitally. These may be YouTube videos, they may be chats with customer service agents or live conversations when I need specialized help.
Got it. Okay. And some guidance along the way here.
Yep.
Okay.
And these are the new norms. If you want to keep your customers, you're doing this.
Got it. Okay. So then we're building on that as we get into this next ladder here of configured products. What are we doing here?
Okay. So to these capabilities, we have to add the considerations for what is it exactly that you configured, that I sold you, how was it built, and what's out there today if I'm going to service it. I'm going to have to provide diagnostic services and recommendations on how to take care of this, sometimes even anticipating what it's going to do and predicting its behavior in a way that gets to you with a notification.
Got it. So as built, as maintained, really kind of more the product knowledge.
That's correct.
Okay. So let me just get that down here. Okay. So then let's jump to the third level in engineered. How do we build on this to engineered?
So again, on top of all these capabilities and these, we're now into, remember, this was the fire pump package for, say, an oil refinery or some kind of an oil well. I've got regulatory considerations, industry norms and specifications that were built into the product. I better send somebody out who knows how to take care of that, how to know whether it's working and behaving per spec, and if I have to change something, what is it that I'm allowed to do?
So would you think of that as like industry and technical expertise?
Exactly.
Okay. Awesome. So now that we've thought about the key areas where the customer needs to focus based on the product that they have, I'm looking forward to our next session where we spin this into how does eLogic then work with customers in each one of these categories and help them build great solutions.
Exactly right, David. Looking forward to doing that.
Awesome.